Namaste, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting opportunity for you. Software engineer role at Cisco, located in Bangalore, India. And trust me, this is something every IT aspirant and networking enthusiast should pay attention to. Because this could literally change your career if you're aiming for top product-based companies. Now here's the most important highlight. Most people don't know this, but this role is part of Cisco Networking Engineering, a multi-billion-dollar division working on high-end routers and optical systems like ASR 9000 and NCS series, which means you're not just getting a job, you're entering the core of global internet infrastructure development. And don't skip this part, even though the role may not be open immediately, applying now puts you in direct contact with Cisco recruiters when positions open, giving you a huge early advantage over others. Now let's talk about what you'll actually be doing in this role. Because this is where things get really interesting. You'll be delivering high-quality software that directly impacts customer experience, working on real-world network automation, analytics, and complex debugging scenarios. And here's where it gets powerful. You'll be solving real network problems, not just writing code blindly. Plus, you'll be collaborating with global teams, interacting with customers, and building automation test plans using Python, which means your exposure is not limited to coding, but extends to system-level thinking and innovation. And honestly, how many roles offer this level of depth early in your career? Coming to eligibility and qualifications. If you have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or electrical engineering, with around 1 to 3 years of experience, you're already in a strong position to apply. But here's the catch. Cisco is not just looking for degrees. They want problem solvers, people who can think beyond textbook solutions. So even if you feel you are not perfect, don't hold yourselves back because opportunities like this are rare. Now let's break down the skills required because this is where many candidates miss out. You need strong knowledge of Python for automation, understanding of test engineering concepts, and experience with Linux and modern debugging tools. But the real game changer is expertise in optical technologies like DWDM and ROADM. And if you have certifications like CCNA, CCNP, or CCIE, that's a massive plus and can significantly boost your chances. And here's a question for you. Are you building skills that top companies actually need or just following the crowd? Talking about benefits and career growth, Cisco is known for innovation, global exposure, and long-term career development. And you'll be working in an environment that values communication, creativity, and continuous improvement. Plus, you'll be part of a company that has been leading innovation for over 40 years in networking and AI-driven infrastructure. So this is not just a job, it's a long-term career investment. Now here's an important insight that most people ignore since this is a future opportunity posting. Applying early increases your chances of getting noticed before the competition floods in later. So don't wait for the perfect time because by then it's already too late. And remember, companies like Cisco don't just hire skills, they hire mindset and potential. So how do you apply? It's simple. The application link is in the description. Go ahead and apply as soon as possible and make sure your resume highlights your Python skills, networking knowledge, and any relevant certifications because that's what will set you apart. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who are preparing for IT jobs, and subscribe to the channel for daily job updates that can genuinely help you grow your career. And if you have any doubts or need guidance, drop a comment below. I personally go through them and help you out. So stay tuned, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next opportunity.